Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello, hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? So viewers, these are very amazing and very unique and very beautiful handmade wreath design. So viewers, these are top trending and very beautiful and very amazing ideas. You guys use your different kind of things and make these type of wall hanging wreath design. These are super amazing, super unique and most incredible collections. And I also upload different hair craft videos on my channel that was amazing. So viewers, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Guys, these are super amazing and very beautiful collections. So viewers, try these dress design at home. So viewers, if you want different wreath design, so guys must share your thoughts with me and also tell me which kind of video you want from my channel. Then I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So guys, always think positive, always be positive. Guys, these are very amazing, very stunning and very beautiful ideas. Always take care guys, always be happy. These are very amazing, very stunning and very beautiful collections. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Always think positive guys, always be positive. These are very amazing, very stunning and very beautiful ideas. Follow for more updates. These are very latest, very amazing and very beautiful collections. So guys, try these at your homes and watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these wreath design. Always take care guys, always be happy. These are super unique and very cute wreath design. So keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.